start the first pick 5. And the rough early lead is taken by sa totoo lang by the Real Queen's Prayer on the outside. Kampay, Moscow Valley, and Alleluia is bringing up the rear. It's now Queen's Prayer on the outside by half a length, followed by sa totoo lang in second. And running in third by 3 lengths is Kampay and Moscow Valley, Alleluia. At the mid-back stretch, it is still Queen's Prayer by a length, followed by sa totoo lang by the Rail in second, and Kampay remains in third by 3.5 lengths, Moscow Valley and Alleluia. Rounding the far turn, there is still Queen's Prayer on the outside by the Rail is sa totoo lang, and closing in third is Kampay, Moscow Valley and Alleluia. At the last bend for home, sa totoo lang, moving up on the inside, Queen's Prayer on the outside. It's sa totoo lang by the Rail, Queen's Prayer on the outside, Kampay, running in third, Moscow Valley. It's sa totoo lang in the lead, followed by Queen's Prayer on the outside. It's sa totoo lang and Queen's Prayer on the outside, Kampay moving up on the inside. And nearing the payoff line is still sa totoo lang in the lead. And finally at the payoff line, it's sa totoo lang, Kampay, Queen's Prayer, Moscow Valley and Alleluia.
We have an upset, although